If you're selling a car in Missouri, the title transfer is what makes the sale official. You'll be filling out the assignment section on the back of the title, and every detail has to be accurate. Start by writing the buyer's full legal name exactly as it will appear on their application for title. Add their physical address, not a PO box. Record the date of the sale with the month, day, and year. This date matters because it determines whether a late title penalty applies. Fill in the vehicle's model. If you're a dealer, include your dealer license number. Write the full sale price without subtracting anything for a trade-in. If there is a trade-in or dealer rebate, list that amount separately. Then, subtract it from the sale price to get the net price and record that. Next is the odometer reading. Enter the exact mileage in whole numbers. Most vehicles will require mileage disclosure unless they're exempt, such as older models past a certain age. If the odometer has rolled over its limit, check the box for mileage in excess of mechanical limits. If the mileage shown isn't accurate or is unknown, check the not actual mileage box and include a signed statement explaining the discrepancy. After that, both you and the buyer will sign the title. All sellers listed must sign exactly as their names appear on the front of the title. The same goes for printing names. Hand print them exactly as shown. If a business is involved, include the business name, the printed name of the authorized agent, and their position. If the buyer is financing the car or using it as loan collateral, write down the line holder's name and address in the space provided. Once everything is complete and easy to read, the buyer can take the signed title to the Missouri DMV to register it in their name.